But whoa, my viewers, whoa, my viewers. Oh, let me check here. Look here, my viewers. Whoa, I got pepper for Sunday fish. Yeah. Viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to the channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. In today's video, it's all about checking out the greenhouse, the whole greenhouse. Yeah. I'm at the back of the greenhouse right now. I'm going to go inside to see what's going on inside here. I know that there's a lot of dry pepper tree inside here. Yeah, so I'm going to go inside now to check to see. Because you know, most of the time you're doing farming at a spot and then you leave it for a while and then go back to see what's going on. So right now, stick and stay to see what's happening inside of the whole greenhouse, as you can see behind me here. Alright, my viewers and my subscribers, stick and stay. And if you're new here, my name is Ever Slick. Welcome to the channel, my viewers.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Yes, my viewers, as you can see, there's a lot of grass around here. Yeah, this was the hydroponic stand for the lettuce. And as you can see, whoa, there's a lot of grass. So right about now, I'm gonna go inside the old greenhouse to see what is taking place. I know that there's a lot of cerasee here at the back of the greenhouse. Yeah, there's a lot of cerasee, alright? So my viewers, I'm gonna head inside. There's a door here that we always bend and go under. So right now, I'm going under here to see, yeah, inside the whole greenhouse. So as you can see, my viewers, there's a lot of old pepper tree inside here. Grow all the way to the top of the ceiling, as you can see. Yes, and you can see there were chalice also. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go through and look to see what's going on inside here. All right, I see something here. I don't know if you guys see it, but look, up here of the greenhouse is very dry, but down here is very green, like a lot of grass. You know what is that? Yeah, there's some water. When the rain fall, some leakage is here. As you can see the color on the board. Let me show you what's going on. There are some leakage here. Yeah, you can see it's on this side also. So down here is getting water. So that is the reason why down here is very green. Yeah, anywhere you see a drum inside here, it is leaking. Alright, so my viewers, I'm gonna go down, but something is happening here. Yeah, you know, anywhere you always farm and leave it for a while and come back, something always going on. As you can see, whoa, as you can see, my viewers, everything is dried up here. Down here you can see all the peppers. Yeah, you can see all the peppers dried up because there's no water. As you can see, there's no water. Alright, I look way down the bottom there. There is some green grass there. There's a drum. That means there's a leak. Alright. Okay, we stopped planting to these greenhouse here because of there was something into the soil. You know what I mean? So keep damaging the plants them. So we did stop. Yeah, plant here. Look here, my viewers. These are some tomatoes. Look here. Very dry. Whoa. Whoa, look at the seeds. Whoa, very dry, my people. Yeah, very dry. Tomatoes. Let me show you one. This is one of the tomato. It's strand out, dried out. Yeah, my God. Alright. I see a pan of cucumber seed here. Yeah. Good seed inside here. Put it in under shade. Yeah, good seed inside here can plant and lick me up, my viewers. But you know why I come under here to look? I look from outside and I notice these plants here very green. Look here. These pepper plants very green. And I wonder what's going on. So I'm gonna head down into this row to see what is going on here. Because when the rain fall, the water come underneath through the earth. Yeah, come underneath and come here at this part of the greenhouse. So I'm just wondering what's going on here. But whoa, my viewers, whoa, my viewers, whoa, my viewers, whoa, my viewers. Watch here, my viewers, watch here, my viewers, watch here, my viewers. Watch here, my viewers. Whoa, no, sir, no, sir, can't leave them like that. All right, my viewers, hear what's going on now. These pepper don't have any nutrients, no fertilizer, because everything is stopped. They stop get water. Only when the rain fall, there's a little spring from the outside underneath the earth come inside here. So that's the reason why. And up here is the top of the greenhouse. So that is the reason why these plants here are very, very green. But look, there are blossoms here. Yeah, and they are pepper. Look here. Blossom. My God, my viewers. My viewers. Look at this here. Yeah. Yeah. I love these one. There is no fertility on these pepper here. Yeah, there's no fertility on these pepper here.
Hello?
There's no fertility on these pepper here. You know what I mean? Yeah. Whoa, my phone is saying hello. My viewers, that's my phone. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, this is what's going on inside of the greenhouse here. My God. Well, I love these one, you know, because it don't have any fertilizer inside here. You know? Yeah. So this is natural, you know. These are natural. Whoa. Just one mind to go and check inside the whole greenhouse to see what's going on. And this is what I buck up on inside here. Whoa. 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 My viewers, I tell you something, them hard. Yeah, them fit, them hard. The only thing them small, you know, but them small, but trust me, them alright. No want more than this. Yeah, no want more than this put on my fish. Yes, my viewers, this is what's going on inside the greenhouse here. Whoa, down here, it's been a while since I come down here, so come down here to look, to see what's happening here. Alright, there's a drum. If you notice where the drum is, from there, very green. Alright? Yeah, man. So when the rain falls and the water run over in the drum, yeah, it run back inside here. So this line here, but what I'm saying, why these pepper don't get green? Let me check, us. All the grass are green here, but pumpkin is here also. Pumpkin. Notice the pumpkin leaf? Why the pumpkin leaf is so white? Why the pumpkin leaf is so white? Not getting any sunlight, but the heat from the sun is on it. You understand? Yeah. I think these was pepper tree. But no, it is not pepper. My God. Yeah. Why the pepper plant down this line never get green and started to grow back? I don't know why. But down here is very green. Yeah. Down here is very green, my viewers. Very much green. So right, you know, I'm gonna go back. Whoa, let me check here. Look here, my viewers. Whoa. Yeah, man. I got pepper for Sunday fish. Yeah. Yeah man, I got pepper for Sunday fish. Alright my viewers. So yes my viewers, I come inside here to see if I can get one of these drum here. Yeah, to put on the outside. Underneath I got a outside so I can have some fresh water outside. Most of the time you want to wash your hand, you know what I mean? You're at the greenhouse, you want to wash your hand. So I come inside here to get one of the drum, but wow, these pepper trees surprised me. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna have to throw away this water, you know, because I need one of this pan to put on the outside to get some fresh water when the rain fall, alright? But trust me, whoa, it's not an easy task to throw away this water, you know, but somewhere, somehow. Woo! That is it. That is it. I need this pan on the outside to get some fresh water when the rain falls. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. That is it, my viewers. Yeah, man. Put it on the outside to catch some water when the rain fall, alright? Stick and stay. So right now, I have to roll this. Take shortcut with this drum, you know? Go back on the outside. Yeah. I got to roll it back on the outside. I have to dry it from here. My viewers have to dry it from here. Whoa. Whoa. Yes, my viewers. And as you can see, there's the next drum. Down here is very green, don't it? Yeah, man. There's a gutter here. Yeah, there's a gutter. This gutter is about 100 feet long. So you know, from off those plastic here, even the dew, water falls inside here. So I'm gonna put 2 pieces of board across here. Yeah, and put the drum there so we can catch some fresh water. So when the drum full up, it go back into the gutter and go back out. So I'm gonna look 2 pieces of wood to put across there. Stick and stay, my viewers. So yes, my viewers, these are the peppers without fertilizer, without nutrients, without nothing, just a little water now and then. These are the peppers, alright? And I love these one here. Yes, this is my type of pepper, right? With only water. Yeah, my viewers, them small and them look away, but trust me, yeah, alright? Yeah, man, these are almost natural, almost natural. All right, stick and stay. Yeah, man, find 2 pieces of wood here. So I'm going to place them across here because it's right here I want to catch the water. Most of the time I come here in the morning and get messed up. Yeah, my hand get messed up and can't find nothing. Most of the time I come here in the morning, hand get messed up, can't find nothing can't find any clean water to wash my hand. So yeah, That's what I'm going on with, but one is taller than one, so I have to do something to get it level. Alright, so that the drum can level, but I'm gonna fix it. Just stick and stay. Yeah, man. Think that is level. It's all about time to put the drum on it. Yeah. Alright, my viewers. So when the rain fall, we have fresh water, we can do things. Most time when we are going to spray, we have to go in at that tank over there. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. It's all about plant something, you know. It's all about farming, my people. It's a farming revolution all over the world. We have to plant something. If we don't plant, we don't eat most of the time. See? Natural is the mystic. The mystic is natural. And if you want to go vital, you have to eat vital. See? So that is the reason why most of the time my vital stew is on the fire. See? Yeah, man. My vital stew is on the fire, cooking, boiling. Yeah. Yes, I. The real me viewers. So yes, I have a drum now right in front of the greenhouse, the new greenhouse. So when the rain fall, I can catch water to wash my hand. We can catch water to do spraying or so forth. We don't have to run to the tank all the time. Now the tank is full, but it is not time yet to water the peppers. We water peppers late evening. Yeah, we water peppers late evening, don't forget that. Alright, and early morning. So my time is 6 o'clock, 6:30 a.m., 6:30 p.m. Alright, seeing. This is the filter. The water come here. This is the lock-off valve. The water come inside your filter before go to the greenhouse. But every morning, every evening, I clean the filter before run the water through. Because the filter is gonna have a little, yeah, a little now and then. So we have to clean it. So I have a toothbrush here, so I just clean it. You know what I mean? Jamaican style, scene. So yes, my viewers and my subscribers, you don't know, it's all about farming. I'm there up on the farm. Yeah, man, your boy ever slick there. So here we are going on now, I'm going to cut out. So see you guys in the next video, and thank you all for watching. Seeing? Yeah, man. Jamaican Farmers, don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. See? Big up on yourself here.